MiniMax just dropped H3, a video model that makes 2K footage and sound together in one shot. And it just landed inside ComfyUI. 5 nodes, 0 code. MiniMax even says they are open sourcing the model. Soon nobody else at this level is doing that. Here's the path. Install it, then text, image, or reference to video. So what actually changed since Hailuo 2.3? Real 2K video at 24 frames a second. The sound, voices, effects, music gets made at the same time as the video, not bolted on afterward. And there's a feature called Omni-Reference. Give it up to 9 images, 3 video clips, even a clip, just so it copies that clip's camera move. On Muapi, it's about 18 cents a second at 2K sound included, no separate pass to pay for. One honest catch, it's 2K only for now, no 4K yet. Muapi already builds ComfyUI nodes for a bunch of its models, and MiniMax H3 gets the same setup. One node holds your API key, 3 nodes generate video from text, from an image, or from reference files, and one node saves whatever comes back straight into your output folder. Installing it is dead simple. Clone the repo into your custom nodes folder. Install one requirements file, restart ComfyUI, and MiniMax H3 shows up in the node search right away. Add the API key node, connect it to text to video. Pick your aspect ratio and a duration up to 15 seconds at 2K. Wire the video into save video, the first frame into preview image. Type a prompt, hit Q. A couple of minutes later, this, a real 2K clip, sound already baked in, sitting right in my output folder. That's the whole pipeline, start to finish. Image to video works almost the same way. Load a photo, connect it, describe how it should move, and it animates that exact photo instead of making up a brand new scene. This is the node I'd actually build around. Up to 5 images, 3 videos, and 2 audio clips all in one request. Give it a product shot, a clip just for the camera move, a track just for the mood, and tell it how to combine them. And here's what comes back: the product, the camera move, and the mood, all blended into one real 2K shot. No manual keyframing at all. Quick tip, you don't have to paste your key into every single node. Set it once as an environment variable or run one CLI command, and every node in the graph picks it up automatically. It's free, it's open source, grab it from the GitHub link below or use the API directly at muapi.ai/minimaxh3. It's all in the description. Subscribe if you want more ComfyUI walkthroughs like this one. And let me know in the comments which one would you build first: text, image, or reference to video.